Hello. A while ago I started another YouTube channel for early starters on the guitar. The videos on this channel are all easy to play melody lines from well-known songs and from different decades and genres. The melody lines are only single-note lines played on a Spanish acoustic guitar with a simple backing instrument for accompaniment. There are no special guitar techniques on this channel. No bends, slides, thrills, effects and so on. Just a pure, simple and easy to play along melody to get you started on the guitar. The tabs are also in the videos in almost the same format as you know it from my Play That Guitar channel. I hope you will enjoy this YouTube channel, and if you know someone who's just starting with the guitar, please share my new channel. You can find a link in the description and at the end of this video. It's called Easy Guitar Melodies. Thanks for your support.